What actually happens to your body when you crack your joints? That first pop, it's not bones breaking, it's gas bubbles collapsing inside the joint. Instant relief. Seconds later, pressure resets and movement feels smoother. Do it once, no damage, but do it again and again, ligaments slowly stretch, joint control weakens, and stability drops. Years later, grip strength fades. Not arthritis, but loss of control. You weren't destroying your joints, you were training them to depend on the pop. And that's why your body keeps asking for it.